Xiaomi is Stan Lee, then the Redmi Note series has to be Jack Kirby. That's how the company's India journey has been. The Note series has been right in the center, fueling Xiaomi's growth in India over the years. In early 2024, the company introduced the Redmi Note 13 series, and before the year ended, we have the successor already, the Redmi Note 14 series. In the product briefing, Xiaomi executives stressed how Redmi Note 14 is a big leap even for the Note series. The company claims to have sold over 420 million Redmi Note devices globally. Again, this time we get 3 units, a base Redmi Note 14, a mid Redmi Note 14 Pro, and a top-of-the-line Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. We got our hands on the top trim, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. At the starting price of 29,999 rupees, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus looks like a great deal, albeit it packs just 8GB and 128GB of storage, which in these times feels on the lower side. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is raising the bar in design. It's got Corning Gorilla Glass Victus at the front and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i at the back. In 162.53 by 74.67 by 8.75mm in size, it weighs 210.9 grams with an IP68 rating. It comes in 3 colors: Titan Black, Phantom Purple with a vegan leather back, and Spectre Blue. The physical buttons are placed on the right, and there are no issues with using those at any point. The SIM tray, speakers, and charging port are placed on the bottom panel. The screen dominates the front panel and has slim bezels and a punch-hole selfie camera placement at the top. The Note 14 Pro Plus packs the same display as the Note 13 Pro Plus. However, this one now offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The 6.67-inch display offers a 1220 x 2712 pixel screen resolution and a pixel density of 446 ppi. Thanks to up to 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations are smooth. It's got a 50-megapixel primary camera accompanied by 50-megapixel telephoto and 8-megapixel ultra-wide with a 20-megapixel selfie camera. This time, Xiaomi's introduced an additional multifocal camera setup of 2.5x apart from the regular 0.6x, 1x, 2x, and 5x. This is great for framing shots the way you want. On 2x zoom, the Redmi Note 14 Pro has decent zoom levels with no visible loss in image quality. Jumping to portraits, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus can click some nice bokeh shots. It's a good point-and-shoot camera for all your portrait shots. It slightly lacks in the selfie department, where we notice skin softening despite turning off the beauty mode. According to performance, it boasts a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 mobile platform, and whether you're browsing, gaming, streaming, using AI features, or editing photos on the go, the Note 14 Pro Plus handles these and more tasks smoothly. All thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, the 4Nm chip powering the device, day-to-day performance is handled smoothly. Jumping to UI and software, the Redmi Note Pro 14 runs Android 14 with HyperOS 1.0.2, and Xiaomi promises 3 years of major OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Considering that the device runs Android 14, it should get 15 very soon and will get up to Android 17. The Redmi Note 14 Pro speaker is loud and can fill a medium-sized room. It's also excellent for your multimedia needs. Since AI has been the biggest buzzword for smartphone manufacturers this year, and we don't see this changing next year either, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is touted to pack over 20 AI features, more than any competition offers. There's an AI summary, AI layout, AI proofreading, and AI translation integrated into the inbuilt Notes app. Next up, AI image expansion, AI Erase Pro, and AI Film are all packed within the Gallery app. The Recorder app also has AI features like speaker recognition, AI translation, and AI summary. The AI subtitles, however, need polish as it couldn't offer the ideal real-time transcriptions. Overall, the addition of AI features is nice and good to have, but some of these feel gimmicky at the moment and may need more polish. If there is one department where the Redmi Note 14 Pro has taken a giant leap, then it has to be the battery. From 5000 mAh on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus to a massive 6200 mAh on the 14 Pro Plus is just bonkers. And this doesn't just look huge on paper, but in real-world usage too. It easily lasts over a day with almost 25% charge left with intense use, which include a couple of hours of gaming, camera use, full movie streaming on Netflix, a few hours of music streaming on Spotify, and regular work-related apps like Outlook, Canva, Gmail, Slack, Chrome, and more open in the background for the full day alongside apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, X, and Telegram. This phone can last up to 2 full days with medium usage, which means without too much camera time. Its price in India starts at under 30,000 rupees for an 8GB and 128GB storage. At this price, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is an easy recommendation for anyone looking for a smartphone that's packed to the brim. It's the only phone in the market right now with durability credentials, including passing a 1.5-meter drop test onto marble, and also packs an IP68 rating. It packs a fantastic display, can handle performance like a pro, and packs decent cameras.